All right, this is part two of the videos. This is the levels of organization practice. They're going to put the picture in based on the smallest to largest, matched up with the term and then with the definition as well. The performance task opens. There we go. There he's going to get a copy of the school doc. All right, so they're going to label the terms based on the size according to the levels of organization, from the smallest form of life to the biggest or to the largest. Then at the bottom, they fill in the blank. All right, and they should be able to get the information from their notes for this content. Then the ticket out the door, or the ticket to module 3, the Google form. And they just have to answer these questions. And it's going to be a good way to make sure that that I know that module 2 was a success. And then module 3. Here is there's a standard, the module objective, the notes, the learning material, and then the content. And there's a video at the bottom. This is the third discussion post with the rubric attached. Here's the Nearpod. While that loads, we'll keep going. All right, it's loaded. There's a little video they can watch. And it's going to be pretty important here, so they can get an idea of the organelles and the difference between the animal and the plant cell. We'll keep going. This is a plant cell. The previous one was the animal cell. This talks about the different organelles inside the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell has a nucleus. This talks about what the structures are of the organelle, then how do they work together. And this kind of talks about, which one, which animal or plant cell, which some organelles are in both, some are only in one. And this also gives the students the function as well for these organelles, and that'll be needed. That's mainly what this PowerPoint is for. All right. And then this is the Edpuzzle on organelles. And that's Edpuzzle's an online website. All right, and this is their cell diagram. So I give this to them, and then they have to tell me which organelle I'm describing and the shape that it represents on the outside. And then create a cell. This is their. This is the example. All right, so this is the example given. Just kind of giving you use this for basketball or in athletics. This is what the students will use to view, and then they're just going to make their own in this side. So that would give them the example.